Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and how it can change your life. I know that's a big statement to make, but hear me out. You're probably familiar with those Instagram posts or YouTube videos where someone recommends a product or service and then includes a link to buy it. Well, that's affiliate marketing. And it's an incredible way to earn money online. But here's the thing, affiliate marketing can be incredibly challenging. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error to figure out what works and what doesn't. But what if I told you that there was a secret to affiliate marketing success? A way to fast-track your journey to financial freedom? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. The secret to affiliate marketing success is, drumroll please, it's building a community. That's right. Building a community of people who trust and respect your opinions is the key to making affiliate marketing work for you. And the best part is, it's not as hard as it might seem. You just need to be consistent, authentic, and willing to put in the work. Duh. You can start by creating content that speaks to your audience's needs and interests. Answer their questions, provide value, and build a relationship with them. And don't be afraid to show your personality. People want to connect with real people, not just a faceless brand. Once you've built that trust and rapport, then you can start recommending products and services that you truly believe in. And before you know it, you'll be making money from your affiliate marketing efforts. But more importantly, you'll have built a community of people who respect and trust your opinions. So, if you're looking for a way to make money online and achieve financial freedom, then affiliate marketing might just be the answer. But remember, the secret to success is building a community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Click on the link in the description and join the community of affiliate marketers in Perpetual Income 365. A group committed to helping their fellow affiliate marketers succeed. Come join us today.